Google Slides has another neat feature which allows you to insert diagrams. And I'm going to actually work with a timeline. So we're going to go up to insert, because again, anytime we're going to put something in, insert. So insert, slide all the way down to diagram. I'm going to click on that. And now off to the right, I'm going to dig through here until I find the one I want. And here's timeline. So I'm going to click on that. And now it gives me options here for what kind of timeline I might like. And for what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to choose this format. And again, I could have changed color and the number of dates, but we're going to go with just 4 for right now. Once I've picked that, I'm going to close that. And now I can come back over and change the preset words and documents so I can have whatever information I need in here. So I click on my box and I can just highlight and type over whatever information I want, including the year. And then just hit return. And then when I'm done, click off to the side and I am completed with my timeline. And again, I can just adjust any of those boxes however I see that I need to.